From morning to yeah, that's me come every banner man you do terminal late in the evening if I come home I go people only one lecture we start more to the next day I'm okay that's
many of the collect bag there did I give back the money
wait safe way I'm going to use come on bro
I want to take some of the gift back. I want to use this one for that's one for the final leg.
why you want to
No, it has to be.
I don't know about you know they have flipped this out. You have flipped over the back. Like almost every day I know I'm going to go home. Oh my God,
so you wait for something real quick. A message here real quick.
I'm sure the yeah. Because I don't want to go to the shop.
no
Pamela. Fanboy rider.
I'm going to use this one.
Who's only the version? I'm not ready to know more baby to know stuff on
This class made you
I don't want to give to.
No, I understand. We're negative.
download one of this system.
Tell him where you're Karama.
my God is on there. NCI.
JPEG.
Tell him what? When you walk out, I want to. Emo. I'm born. I knew I am. Oh, baby, I poor. I do my own.
Shows as if you're not bad. Thumbnail, not thumbnail.
Last end,
Yeah, like VPN deal on IMX so now so you like this one example. Okay, this one no longer needed. Likewise, what it gets, I want to have a fix. I want to have a fix first from them now. But if I work on something, that may out of PY. Okay. That may out of PY. Flash messages at the top and fix the back button. This one I license that if you know. So USB somehow. Thank you. I'll wait for people and quick. I see 1, 2, 3 people enjoy, then I can start. Jerry's not my guy. MK, UK, yeah. The quality they done, the quality they done. I'll do something, yeah. OBS over go now. VS Code that they can go. Sure. Quality the up. Video quality the up. So like network moderation. Quality okay. Minimize. License. This we can modify now. Full code on it. Whoa, come on. To flash messages. Oh shit. To flash message we need. When I saw you explain everything, I fixed it, no problem. From then now, you can start. I just want to. Yes. Fuck yes. Whew. I don't rectify this issue, yeah. So good. Come bien. Oof. I don't develop developer. So now it's your need 3 license key, no bad. Still auto generated. Let's see first now. When I saw you, this way they do. Now me on with them call. I mean, what did they call this? For modify, paid license. Yeah, I need for modify this one. I enter this license keys first class. Activate. Invalid or already used. Shitty. Shitty. Invalid. Generate new license. License generated. Okay. Nice. Okay. Good. So in the walk. Let's try something, psyche. On the wait for no more. I just gonna need like 2-3 people, let's say 2-3 people and join. Then I'll start from scratch. Which one are they see so I plan to try for like work on something that we basically my own force I work on so where I see 2-3 people and join from then they actually start. I use this one. Okay, this MP video I use on. Come on. Make mistake. MP. I need this embedded. What's name call here? Do I'm quick. Say what you go do. Go back. Manage admin quick. No, admin. Cause MP. F cost 100. Paid cost. Choose file as thumbnail. We use this for third lesson. F YouTube URL waiting on it. Just this on it. Gonna embedded or use. If I use embedded, just put this one. Select course flask. Add lesson inside. So now on the flags we don't get 2 calls, 2 video. I think I will get me waiting them call my license key already. Okay, now we get this one on F. This for B was not found. Let's see this far back. YouTube enable connect. Oof. YouTube enable connect. So just now send VN. I do it for 2 or 3 people and more. From there we'll start and we are from scratch. The video up right now. We'll just and tweak something for us. We are see 2 people and join from then. We kickstart from scratch now. Yeah. This way the band is going and you the power on. Like we try to tweak something with the power on before they can start. Now until we complete. Expose flask. Add lesson. Lesson on it. use the storage not that better. Storage not that better. In order better. I make I use this with it. This with it can call storage not better. So I don't fix the other side here.
Can you please?
Yeah. This one cool. I wait till I'm on need. I'll make videos in private. I do something quick. My own YouTube account. I make videos. Video purpose. I don't know what to do. This one already complete. All it I need for do now for make this let me be realistic. Why I use this YouTubers they shouldn't rubbish, they don't go on this. I don't go on this. I just need to modify this one and videos there. Let them be better. And I just need for do. And I need another page for edit courses. Yeah. I need that. I'll fix some. We go. I'll check post now. Okay. It's not paid. Paid. You paid or enter license already. What I need for fix and back. So after the user don't wait and code, no need for sure again. Name no for sure again, like okay. Okay, and this admin dashboard I need for fix and back for and get access to other things and back, like I need for the the user account and everything. I need for the know. Now I can create another course. Let's say introduction to Python. Python course description. course title. I saw you. This is not make all lazy here now. Yes, we saw what they do. You saw the account what you save. Course introduction description. Okay, this some description is. Meh. Okay, description cost they put 120. This is what they make as a free course. If you're able to generate, but I don't need them today. Introduction to Python, I say top Python. Load. And clear resolution, JPEG. Okay, put this one add calls. This gonna be free. Good one. So now introduction to Python. Yep, these are free course. I need to fix this my contact admin page. Will be on user dashboard. template user dashboard. Contact admin. Control S, Control C. We go on. Now this contact button for work. Mashallah. Wait. I don't do mistake. I don't delete something. Oh shit. Yep. Get a keen eye. Okay. As I fix this file, they can proceed. Contact admin. This for okay, Mammo diet. Good one. I just need for rearrange all the sizes, then but we'll do it later. Reason why this one not get you not get this what they call. You not get this. How you call this to yourself? You not get description. And you make. You not get description. Now whatever you do, the description you cut down to 30 words. Make 30 words for save space manager. But not available for editing. You cannot create a page yet for editing things there. Just create a page like for the upload. Cannot create a page yet for the edit. There are not create them yet for the edit. I need a page now for edit, and I will do it later. Wait. Hold on. Same bad day, Prilo. Not to worry, bad day. I'll send you and give person quick here. Not to worry, bad day. I send now. All the afternoon. I did do everything. Not to worry, bad day. I send now. Just like we how far you don't come. Like, not to worry, bad day. Every time say good day. I tell her big and call. Because I don't see online next to the whole. I tell her and call you. They call you multiple times. I'll be picking phone. Yeah, boy, so you some. I'd almost complete, but I can't start this video. We don't plan for them. I can't start here. They can't start now. So you. Yeah, time don't go. Okay. You. I don't get progress. I will left this me. Tabia. in a personal. Now we can use this one. So like good day to everybody. I wanna they do. So we are good. Everybody good. Everything okay for everybody. Now I be actually we get for do something we I be four things extra in a group stem or some groups to be precise. Where we promise for do a video today based on flask, right? And I at the point also right now at this present moment. Okay, so I be promise say we do them from ground basic for showing how for develop them web applications and soon and see which I be done the work on just now. We now another one where the pants I work on we are plan for make pay them free. We have been able to work on but I not complete it. I just get some few more updates for make. Yeah, get for the normal from then on like I will put out there to people now will get access to them for this time. You just need for fix this one now. After I fix and also I need for fix another page when I for edit what they will for edit and also need for updates also with this thing. I need for edit with like liable for the see me user the mode join. And why I select this YouTube we call recently now because of YouTube get a bigger storage account because the site where they host now only 500 MB that they give me for free. Now they give me 500 MB that they give me for free 500 MB. But if I do use YouTube, I set them to private, then I able upload like now 1000 video upload. We've been a beginner. I able to upload 1000 video upload it. So now we can start from scratch. For Una, we see the flowers and banners there. Start let's see banner. Flower they were created yesterday. First thing we want to do is that to get on a PC, we get on a browser. Therefore, you create email account, whatever Google account we use, mail so far. Now, this my project here. So I power on let's see first by desktop. Sticks. Now I'll close my VS Code here. Close my VS Code. Close my VS Code. I'll close my VS Code. And what they can do, they can make a group call. Would I want join? Go join here. WhatsApp. Would I want join for ask question in the available? Do ya? If now then call and say group put it and call waiting. All I can see if I do for do. And this my other tab. I know for user because I work on presently. They work on presently. Waiting on it. I don't need for modify this. I just need for post my video on YouTube and make them private and a link here. All the rubbish out the shows on one and I want them. So that's just what they call. Let it stay load quick. After I load, we go can start. For beginners them or whatever. I don't know if I go for do that day. For whatever, I'm not sure. Say make or not to what they call they use the web version that they use. Yeah, when a web version. The only thing I go do no more like now Google Meet are able for put set access to Google Meet. With a one join, go join the discussion. I'll create the account now and also I'll create the URL I post them for Google Meet. The issue is that now for an hour. Then can give me call another repair right now. Ready to join camera. What use camera? What put on you? What now? I hate to me face the show. Camera for the off. Me pay for premium account. Oh, God, I don't make mistakes. If This I don't make mistake. This now it's a way I be with it and call last thing. So what you have to do? I just need for come on Abo. Copy from here. Copy URL. I share them on the group. Okay. I share on the group. Desktop audio, blah blah blah. So anybody who join them, go up live and go able for ask question directly. So now logo we get waiting we supposed to get. And like I be say the things or whatever you could put in corner over Google Chrome one. Git bash, this one, two. These them VS Code. You can go download them inside you within them call we use, whatever way you use the machine now or that's a you machine because machine mostly. Git bash who's account for yourself. So now just open me Google Chrome now. Therefore access for multiple accounts. Select this first one. And from here you can look for VS Code. Okay. If you able to get access to them for download, you can go there, click on, go download for Windows from then. In the automatically start for you 118. They cancel because already gets installed. And after VS Code, which I would advise you do second before you do any other thing, you go download and install Python. Because Flask is just a framework for Python, a web framework way and use for build web applications them 94. Now web framework for I see person they try for join. So you can kinda welcome to python.org from there download all releases or you can get for 3.14.2 click on them and they show you the download button you can download them you install them from there. Okay, we install here for taking some ones we then call them for others part and one can mess with me then come show now. Download the counter Python 3.14.2 start download. When download from there you install them yeah you install them install like this. After you install me you already did it so modify make sure that it's clear over there you go next add Python to environment variable so then column you say install from then you ever show you say for we then call to parts you can do them. So after you install Python there you can go for git bash, look for git bash counter git install for Windows, macOS, Linux. They can under Windows 6 x64 become a architecture and 64-bit. I get some already. You can click on and press download. They start for download. So after you don't get install all the things there, you will go git bash, Visual Studio Code. Wait till left again. All it will left now. Now your level of thinking, like your range of thinking. Now you no more left. Like your imagination, now you no more they hold you back. So wait you imagine how you try for create. Like for me, NT actually be try for show things them to people them now the group semester for things we don't work on. And like I said now only your imagination now you go actually hold you back because a lot of things and they out there where people are able for create. Able for create like for whatever so far you want to do. A lot of things them they out there where you able for create depending to how far or how big or how broad you would actually think for work on. It's now another some job they work on today. I think but due to one two then call like my mind. So we get an error. I just left on voice. Later on go start that because like it will look amount. This now other one. Now if I run this may we then come order for there again. If I refresh this one delete this admin page I for call me and I get for use the login route because this now routing. It's now be the work on today. The other one is what they work on today. But I should say this I need for gonna be sign up route for so we get an issue. Swear to God maybe one. It's not another one. You do sign up first name, enter last name, as kid, phone number. I just sleep and work on them, profile picture, blah blah blah. Start filter, but now this I need for fix. At least error now they get where I need for fix for the direction to the admin dashboard. Now I need for fix. But the sit after I try for the other one 9 per month I need for complete them. So after I complete the other one from them, now I go actually get time for now I will get time for access them 100%. Okay. Now I will actually get time for access them 100%. I don't know if my desktop will do the up when they done. Okay, they're okay. And I will get time for waiting them color. So you left to imagination. Okay. Hence you don't get you git bash, you don't get you VS code, you don't get wait again. You don't get all the tools that we recommend. Google Chrome now you don't get them, and also Notepad because they will use Notepad. Then it all depends to how you imagine how big you think and the things that you want for big want for work on. It depends on your imagination or your idea. Okay, maybe we just can show now steps, procedures, and how for fix. If you encounter a problem, how you go for fix them. Yeah. So like um now okay, my camera off. Now your attention sir. Now waiting at the try for waiting and call now. I don't know if my sound they go or not. I'll let so. Wait at the try for waiting and call now. We don't get any things there. So what you get for do as a junior or whatever, you get to get a folder when a project folder. Okay, name whatever you want name made a name your project or not you work inside them. I know they work inside them. Okay, I know they work inside them. I get a lot of unfinished things there for they move around me for like you see the for like we call safe. Sometimes I want to visualize, create mock up. I go want to wait and call, but me no can actually do that. Me no can do it. I no can do it. You for BUAI, I'm sorry UI from then. You try to work on mock up and other things. Then we will be better for you. So now we don't get them key tools there we get for the use, and they're all very very useful. So after you don't create you folder, I will create me on here. Say project. Where I don't create as project, mind you right now empty. Okay, I can go inside VS Code. I go inside VS Code. File, open folder. On my workspace down there. And then on that desktop, I go inside the project, select folder. Now this is select for me as my folder. For some people and like when you don't do this now, waiting here for ask you for let you trust the application or not on your workspace. You go choose for trust them. You go choose not for trust them. Everything depends to you. Okay. So after you don't do that, they all they take go get access for do what you want to do now. We don't get anything there. But if Oh, I see something here. I don't know if me sound the volume na the YouTube. Too much tweaking every day. They tweak. The volume na the YouTube live in low. Okay. Let's increase them here. Because of this call we go in the background, so let's increase them. Check again. Oh, let's just look up this call here. Need not for put on call or whatever. Let's just do like this. Let's just do like this. The volume is not the YouTube check. Check and quick. The volume, if indeed down, mostly I don't know if this Bluetooth will connect, but sure say no will connect.
Don't connect, okay now.
Well, don't look up the call. Okay.
Okay.
You still get me?
I get you.
Okay, that means that the call still on. Alright. So like I been say, I don't increase the volume. Now we get this, we wait till then call here. This we screen or whatever. We don't get this one. This one not bad. We can left and so we can come inside Google Chrome and we go under this one, my account. From here now, you go to this nigga. When you go to this nigga, I don't even think of some things that we for can try for work on. Like I don't think of something for can try for work on. Let's see. So if we try to build something, we try to generate an application. You therefore get what we call prompt. You prompt them saying that this you need, and you get for be specific. Now we get multiple ways them for get files them from ChatGPT, and as soon as know, mostly in a paid. Okay, na paid. We get options that they use for who get access to files and come up. One can be the teller line generator for you as a zip file in the give but me not recommend that method they. I get me reason. We they give you as a zip file and the left files them out there. And the more the left files them out there, we ask and the more time they go, and the more it trial where they run, and the more like you trial in time they reduce. So time they reach you go tell you you're not able to generate any more zip file or for LP self. So you're not able to do nothing then 10 and day. Secondly, what you go do if that happen, you go tell them to generate them for you as a bash script. And they give you the file as a bash script. You they configure inside your machine. There comes in waiting. This git bash. Because for we Linux users them we know say we get to them call a bash terminal will be select we for run bash commands them inside. So they will use them, forget them files and they using this git bash. We they call the file directly from ChatGPT, they give all the files them directly. We they run them now inside the machine. So here goes. Now if we want to build something simple, okay, we want to build something, we say can call them bro. I tell them say I need a flask. It mentions in a flask you need. You put as a flask. Web app. My store where I can post things and my customers can see and reach me out on WhatsApp. Okay. Now what you don't tell them so, in they can't tell you what thing ever do. But mostly waiting back you can do is that they give answers them from previous prompts them or from previous interaction between all two. And they give answers them back from down there, like in the give down there. So now in getting things there, and they show you the project structure I get for B. And you ever pay attention to this? You store up now this now your project folder for now. So what would ever do inside this project folder? Would ever create another folder for the application where they can work on. This application they can work on, would they give them say store talk. Yeah, but okay. So they come down here under store app. We get a folder with a template. Did you get me? We get app.py with a file. We get models.py with a file. We get dbstrlights with a file also. Then we get templates with a folder, and we get another folder with a static in a folder. So now get them files there. If you want as beginner, what you go do? You dey start for create them file there one by one. If they get me, you dey create them one by one. That's not the first method. You dey copy and paste the codes to them. It's like push and corner here at the string. If you want work like cannibal, they copy and paste them code there. Where you see flask app.py, that's not this app.py. You dey cancel, you create a file, name I'm waiting, app.py. Let's enter Control V, you paste them, Control S, you save. Now we don't create this app.py fast. If you go on to the next one, we get base template base.html. This for the inside with template folder. We create a folder now waiting template for then now we put them within base.html. Okay, now we press enter, Control V, we save. This base now in the render every side. But who side back can make mistake? If we don't tell them say we need them with a tailwind user interface UI. We need a tailwind UI. Now we get store page index.html. Now we check on the structure. Who side in there? We not get an abo in Giwia. We know a store page index.html. We know this one index.html. Okay, this one index.html. Now they can create now on that template. We say index, Control V, Control S. Okay, now we don't get base, we don't get index. Which they can do? We go back down. We say admin page. We know admin.html. This is simple. Now they can create within an admin page on waiting admin.html. Okay, so now we can compare the things that we get. App.py, models.py, not go models.py, but we need them. So the cars come. This is db.sqli3 in the generate for itself because a database. Whenever you launch the app, it generates for itself. Waiting with this app.py and not going models. So now we tell them so we need models.py. Okay, sometimes you left things out. We tell them so we need the models.py because you don't give you. So you don't give you the models.py they can create to put on there. What they put this now we need for updates with app.py for label function with models.py. Now we create them like here outside. So waiting models.py. Create them outside, and now we need for update with this without app.py. But now for now, I'll paste this code. They have also don't count. Then we can fix this one with app.py. We can configure now with this updated code. Get on this wire, and now they go inside. Control A for select all. Control V. Control S. Save. From there now, which we never can do. copy and offset. Possibly send message on my phone also. Osman, so you know, like, now check about and check on you no more. About because like I don't see for the rest of you do online yesterday. I don't see you online yesterday for the rest of the make like a be tell and call you for label with your lens if everything okay with you, like if you good. And right now say what they pan do streaming and they pan teach online quick. I make. So you do everything. So sorry, someone was trying to eat me up or whatever. Now we don't get the file there. We models of PY base index and admin.py. Which whatever can do is that whatever can test for run. Okay. Now and they ask you this now waiting don't do. And now this they ask you which you want next. If you want to add user admin login that's in do routing for yourself. If person login as user and go outside the can go. If person login as admin and go outside the can go. Add orders and table level if you already order directly. Add WhatsApp auto order message. Auto generated. Add product categories, convert flags. Blueprint these are pro level. When now they can test the application. That's what they can do. They can lift this one up like this. We don't the terminal. What they can run now so waiting. Flags one because we get app.py. If not be another we don't say like Python 1.py. But we use flags so we can app.py there. Installing like this they give hold control, press enter. If you open them for you, but now they get errors because of the database. Okay, because of the database. We SQL database not the inside. Not the inside. With database not the inside. So with that they cancel them. If you check now, it says internal server error. They cancel and say or we copy the code form. We give them this not the error. Now so they fix problem with this. They copy the whole code, Control C, you send them back to them. Say brother, wait till give me the end so in the no instant waiting at the problem.
I'm fine. I am Shaja now.
Okay.
I check something like
Table was never created, so we are using so get in fix where they can get confirm. Let's see. Okay. Now this thingy. Follow delete the old database. I got a project database can inside on the instance. This one they delete them. And they cancel this one because if you don't open able to do nothing. So they delete them. Okay. We delete them from then now we can update the code we give it. We now this one. We get to models.py. We can Control A, Control V, Control S, and then we can app.py. Copy, paste, Control A, Control V, Control S. From then we run and back flags one. And we can see back. We go to the page. Control R, let's see the error back code again. This is not a database error. We don't get a database error right now. Control C, Control L. We run another code doing another DB create all. We'll be able to use them for fix. Okay, now let's say rebuild and update in a bash script. This they can show how we able to get them without we not go to and see how down the straight we the copy and paste one by one. This all they can do now in the give everything inside a bash script. Okay, and they give everything inside a bash script. Now, which all they can do? We can go under as a back. We can here under here. We can we create a txt file folder txt. Suppose we don't mistake call me, I don't take my mind so. I just save as of us. We paste this code here, Control V. Say save as a.sh. A.sh, all files, save. Okay, from here now we can on git bash. Minimize this one, call on git bash. It's what they can do now. Now that folder they will need for go. When I hold shift right click, you see copy as part. Copy as part, then we can change directly inside git bash, directly inside it. We can say cd Control Shift V or unable forward and go. Oh, let's see cd paste and get your command them. Oh, double cd. I wonder. Chain directory. Okay. Now about the delete this file here. Pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. CD. Pay attention. Let's just do one so here. Copy this one. C. Now they say CD. I paste this one. In the take. Okay, now on the desktop, so we'll get time. Now on the desktop. Fuck safe. Now the way I had to make today. No list. Most videos can take phone, they call me. CD project. I was a CD store, eh? Now I saw you. Okay, now inside store don't go, so not where we need for day. We need for go back one step. List. And for be the a.sh /a.sh. Okay. Let's see. Now for creating Venv on a virtual environment, I know go show now. I want to save the before do. I saw you. We are the zone out. Now, posting a message. It take me off guard, so like, and they take me off guard. Me annoy, and they take me off guard. Okay, so now this they fix everything, fix the comment, everything, and they can do so. So in the fix them now from them, in the give all the files them after don't fix the comment from them now they try for one and back global see. Thing will be inside your project. A.sh. Then do a thing for the first balance here. Okay. No module name map. All I can see first bar. Now on the store back in there. From there you can see a.sh initializing database, but I think we get an error, no module name app, so they can't try for you on the application back. I think I'll close this one, we run, so we run with the canal back, refresh, and the 70 back we get, they'll forget the error message now. And this database we drive, we call them mostly now this one SQL alchemy queues. I can get this error code here after GAM. From then you can see okay SQLite partition. Final fix. I'm not going to be configured now. Okay, let me build the script now. They can do so. They can rebuild now for you. And they can rebuild this SQLite. If this I get the same issue, they can remove them. And they can rebuild the script for you. Now with the canal back, we paste the same code here. Now we save them. a.sh back. Save them. We replace the other one. From there we run them back inside git bash now. And they remove everything on old. We they cause this add a column jamming. You know can be this add sorry, you know can be this add. But just that no catch this here till we now SQLite and go select no module name app. Okay. You see. Now they run them back last see. If I get the same thing then I will tell them let use SQL Academy if that's what they call them. If I run, the same I go back at the get. Okay. I'll like give them the same prompt. They give them the same prompt, but they tell them let them build the database already with SQL Alchemy. So now they get the same issue that will get to. It's very simple. Okay. New chat. Okay, me. I don't know. Instead of DBSQ, instead of DBSQ Lite, because they give me that. And now, why don't tell us where they can generate? Okay. Now in the pan give this. Which they can tell is that I don't want for canteen and the copy and paste. And they can't tell give me as a zip file. But zip file not able for like give me the file like I go want some. So it's I need a bash script. Now I need. It don't list all the files them. Now wait I need. Okay. If it is zip I may get things where they left out, but I wanna see something here. They can't tell zip. If it is zip I may have left things them out there. To everything they upload. When they put inside the zip file. Or maybe they will tell you say in left things them out if you want to generate them back for you. And the more you do that, the more time it take. Now they can get like two different answers and two different responses. And they can do so. They wait on. And they wait on. Like you will see. Why you take this much of a time? Okay. Now in Git 2 zip in Git. This is why they can download first. File is no longer available with the Chris. With that bunny 3.60. Close this one. Or they can't test this one. Waiting for donkey. Counter compressed. No anymore go donkey and stuff. Okay, will be this one. Black Store app and this. From inside how they can run CMD and app.py back and guess what is a flask one. Okay, this one for waiting. We'll get to the audio one now back. Solar close. Okay, the modules are not fixed modules that we need for fix them modules there. Then requirement that we need for fix them. Now if I count here, when I this one, get requirement.txt, we need for filling the requirement in so to they cancel it in. Pip install minus r requirement.txt. Enter. Okay, fill in the requirements then. After I don't fill them, then we'll go try for the run backlog. See. You have to download them, install them from there now. We can try back for see. Okay, you don't fix them. We'll try back to see if they get the same error. And they give you errors based on the database. Maybe it's guide order because I 2 response again. .60 again. Okay. This one I think say in order for required. Well, I see. For be the second one here. CMD. Close this one. Say flask. Run. Username at localhost. Wait so. Who's can error this today? Okay. My products and people can see contact me on WhatsApp. You still win UI with dark orange theme. Okay. Okay, il n'est pas recruit, il n'est pas recruit. Mine just box up. Mind. Okay. Zip and voice policy. After you zip and then we can work on it. I know for start project soon more instance that they can get database issue. It happen. On my account where the user change them. Okay. Okay. Change mobile number and normal see something here. Until I don't tell them about the UI everything and change them. So it's they can do. I think this one in him for be waiting. I'll watch. And this. CMD. Go back. Okay. Okay. Now, and now in the load. In just and now in the load. Okay. Now we don't get this. Now what we need? I think we see a page now for add product. We are able for add product. Faster. There is 120 image URL. Need for copy image URL. see is images. Forget signer. We have a copy link, copy image address. So they can paste down. Description is a test. Come on, you save. Now we don't get this now. Yeah? WhatsApp me now they will change them. So let him be how we go want. So now this number that is also the camera phone. With the select VS code. Open folder. We know I'm saying that. Now so you my mind now be like I be the zone out. For be this one flask though. For be this one. I be the zone out due to that post we can take my attention. Index. Forget we WhatsApp now, yeah? You know this. Okay, now we get this one. For this one, we can just run back now. We see. I'm not sure sit down they will make that thing don't change because able for identify the specific codes inside it. I'm not sure that me will message directly. Okay, now me. So don't fix that side. Now, it don't reach out to me. I made directly no message. So now, if we want to ever modify any other thing, we don't get add product. Okay, now we'll cancel them, but another one. We can tell them about another one. Made. We can tell them if you want to able for update for you. Update, I mean sorry. Admin login, I mean image uploads. Now we say update. Okay. Only you can add product that now just me no more in the car update. In a bash script. Then give me as a bash script. Then give me as a bash script. Hate. And when I saw you, but this other one where I showed today, get for actually did live. And a day I get for the post me on personal things and like causes them other things and I want to post them they personally free and paid. I work on them for paid causes them, then our quality causes them and it will pay to orange money. Yeah. Now all I can see this one. Okay. We need for create we file now. Then inside here and they come back one step. Now they can create a file new. Then order downloads. Paste this code here. Save as v.sh. Enter. Now for git bash, we they go back to we C directory. Go back to C directory. Wait. Come back now, yeah? We'll go on the downloads now. Download forget CD. The compress uploads a capital C. List. Forget that file like we not a.sh. List for me now. Oh shit. File emboku. Okay now v.sh/v.sh. Now wait for him. When they install dependency there enough from now you can see. Could not import app. Okay. v.sh. Let's see. It will be this file. Then this file will update. and I think then we open inside not one or nine. We'll try for one now, let's see. Flask over. We don't able get what we want. We never get what we want because and actually create them for let him get the admin or admin side. Of your flask project in the root. Oh fuck. And the root folder will put another other side. Now this one will be flask underscore store. Or copy. It's in the copy, so the navigate one says CD. Yes. Say CD. Now it don't later the back. Okay, so from here now, just slash v.sh. We go on like this. So now we don't want to save inside this thing of itself, like it don't want to for itself like, and I think this one needs to be closed. You can't forget issue with me within them call refresh. You don't want I don't know if you could take effect too. When thing as we say, I'll close this one. I will cancel for one of them now. Inside VS Code library. We get somebody on a VS Code here, so now we go on and see. We get 3 instances of them where they go. 3 instances was running. So now all I can see. I don't know if I will get an admin page now. All I see and see back. I just need to open this in my browser, and at the same side the camera. And this admin side and also take effect it. Okay. So anything you need, you go tell them saying this and need and this enable see public ad products. Okay, now they can update the app .py with then call it. So now this way you can copy and paste directly inside this we app.py. We copy them directly inside app.py. After I don't generate them, this one app.py, though therefore can create another one. We now login, Control V, Control S. We now run one login.html. Copy this one login.html. So like with the input on the back. Control V, Control S. Close the server. One and back. Okay. Now we can see. Refresh. Now we need for fix this with dashboard here. We need for fix with dashboard. Or the best we can do with the use route. Visiting the slash hard, therefore equal login. If you know we then call the now so then see so like under this add here, now they ask for login. So you don't fix them. If you need for add anything now so far, any file so far, and also like this shit in very crazy, just like we play Minecraft in our beginner. So now we don't get a login page now inside whenever you want add products in. But what you will need is that this not supposed for the show inside here. Except you know admin. Now we know admin, but I'm like it depends on which you go want. It depends on which you go want. So if you put we then call now instantly the directory as we then call. And then you can try for login. If you enter the wrong credentials now they will give you access. Okay. Now what we need for create admin. Okay. And they give the script. And they give the script, and that script there, you run them instantly, and they generate for you admin. Now in the tell before like add this one, add this model, then we are able for use this one now. We have okay use all for can modify. We have for update all them things that if not admin we say for redirect if not user we say for redirect so we never do copy them for copy. This one now they can add or we tell them like updates them. We tell them updates them. We tell them updates them. Or I'll tell them let upgrade everything, update everything, and give in a bash. Tell them down there in the generator for if na streaming platform back you want below they tell them it they build everything for you. So now they can fix this wire. After I fix some with the copy and back, go paste the inside because I know one for the copy code the one by one, so I do wait for. After I don't generate everything, then we can use them. Okay, to database now everything they work now they copy them. This one now from scratch in Bilam so v.sh will save. This new code don't copy, paste the inside and save as. After clicking save as now we put them on the desktop. Save on the desktop, replaced. Now we use this nigga git bash, we go back. We don't also downloads compressed. Go back. So we need now a desktop we need. Desktop say /dots v no another dot over there v.sh now in for dump and for video from there now in the create the database already so good. Now what we can do is that now this will come on we know this for a flag store. You don't create everything that will get to create admin of py file and so what we can do cmd say python create underscore admin dot py. This is the generate for we follow book create admin. Okay, now the enter our username psyche password at let's go sphinx. Okay, so now it's waiting flags on so I don't create them for we flags on and now the pan can too. Now we refresh. Okay, now we then at the same login page. Now go to the can fix username psyche passcode for you waiting 31 at let's go sphinx. Wait so don't forget that you want to get go sphinx copy now close this one, close this. Okay, we gotta refresh you. At the refresh you let's see. No wonder you bet more get time. No get time they go on the other side. No wonder. No wonder. I get two waiting and call they one at the same time. No wonder. So let's close this one. Say 127. If you take me to this other order, just don't create a big not Control C. Okay. I'll log on and back. Okay, so we good. Now we don't get this page because I knew I will create. And get the home, add product, log out. We don't create this one. The database them we don't change them because not migrate. So if I log out now, if I log out, this one they gone. they run. But then in both things they are not the work. The only way they work are this add product. And where I can they and this they show me this logout page you need for fix them. This one, side key, and also this for being password. And that's the also not type of thing. At good. So now we don't get access, we don't log in. Let's try for logout. This logout need for fix. I need for fix. And if I log in, I'm not save her. I'm not save the password. If I log in now, let's take me now update password. Can I home? We cannot post not it. Add product, sorry for ask me we cannot log in. This logout button need for the command. Need for the switch. And all if the post you want to go tell and then keep put product now price 120, image URL, description, free, save product now in the show now home. In the show now home now. And the only post will get access for upload file now inside or don't secure this way then call it if at right now 127 point. If I want now they call me directly and I'm not looking for add. Put up the call. Not to make account inside it, so like we don't put a security with them call. It depends on the idea what you go and create. I will make more videos then where I make a very short, inshallah, and go to upload now that whatever the power call because I need to make them to their classic. I don't even think of any project for work or just grab and do something and I do so today. This is just a basic one, I saw the able and two the steps what I use. Therefore they use this one. Git bash, VS Code and maybe tell them for generate time for you as a bash script. Okay, so I will stop now for today. Thank you. I can work on me now.